Hi, I will be helping you today with finding the appropriate domain of a function. You have this function here and you want to find the appropriate domain for that. You should know that the square root of any negative number is non-real. You will get non-real answer. Okay, it doesn't have a value. You will know it's going to have a value, imaginary value, but you'll learn this later in Math 2 or Math 3. But for now, you need to look for a number that can make the entire expression under square root positive, 0 or positive, more than 0, 0 or more. Okay, let's read the first one. X such that, this line here means such that x greater than or equals to 0. If x equals to 0, what's going to happen? If x equals to 0 in this case, you will have 0 minus 2, and that is going to be square root of negative 2. That is non-real number. It's not an appropriate domain. The second one, x such that x is greater than or equals to 2. So that means the minimum value for x is 2, minus 2 is going to be square root of 0. And the square root of 0 is 0. It has a number. Let's try another one. Let's get this one down here. Square root of 3 minus 2. X is greater than 2. Try any number greater than 2. That is going to be square root of 1, which is going to 1. That is real number. Also, if you try any number greater than 3, you will get a positive number. It does not matter if it's a rational number or irrational number. As long as there is a value, so it's an appropriate domain. Okay, it seems B is a choice here. Let's hold B for now. Choice C, x such that x is less than or equals to 2. Yes, we know 2 minus 2 is going to be an appropriate domain, but less than 2, let's, if you have x is 1 or something, 1 minus 2, okay, that is going to be square root of negative 1. Negative 1 is a negative. That's going to be non-real answer. Non-real answer. So this one does not work for all numbers. X such that x is greater than or equals to negative 2. This one does not work because if x equals to negative 2, okay, if x equals to, let me get this color, x equals to negative 2, that's going to be negative 2 minus 2, which is going to be still a negative 4, which is a negative number, and that is non-real. And also check the answer with the calculator. Let's see here if we have this right or not. If you have a square root second x squared, that's square root of negative 4. Let's see what we're going to have in the calculator here. You will get non-real answer, non-real error, non-real answer. So the appropriate domain, the domain must be a real answer, must be a positive number under the square root. So the appropriate choice or the best choice here is B. Work well.